Hello everybody, I'm back. You're never gonna guess where I am today. Yep, I am in the heart of Louisiana's Cajun Bayou, and we are going on a gator swamp tour. First time for me. I have been on a swamp boat, or like an airboat, in the Florida Everglades, but nothing like this, and I have always wanted to do it because, come on, TV, movies, they show you, and we're gonna be on this boat, I think. So, gators are kind of dormant right now because it's chilly down here, but hopefully we'll be able to see some. And I did hear that it is eagle. Like the eagles are prevalent. So what else can I say? Let's go. Before I forget again, I would like to thank Swamp Boat Tours by Arthur for hosting the kid and I as we take an adventure down the Louisiana Bayou. Now really, let's go. Here we go.
All right, all together now, I believe we do have 7 airboats. We had 3 15-passenger airboats and 4 6-passenger airboats, so we can accommodate a large group. Settled in by the Germans in 1721. Now they have a population of 2,500 people. Now the little town of Zama is actually known for their famous catfish. There's a lot of good catfishing up in here. And they're also known as the catfish capital of the universe. Yeah, not the world, the universe. And I guess when they decided to go big, they were real big. Now this is brackish water, so we can just salt and fresh. Also has a lot of good bass fishing, brim, crappie, blue crab. And the Gulf of Mexico is about 50 miles from here, so there's tight over here. Actually, the tide's real low right now, and the reason why, because with this strong northwest wind that we had yesterday, blew a lot of the water out. That's when our tides are affected the most. Now, if we get a strong southeast wind, it actually pushes the water back in here. The temperature is looking over 100 pounds, so actually almost to the 200-pound mark, get really big. Yeah, that's a lot of people, that's what they try to fish for when they make their turtle soup and stuff. There's your log. Just a little dead-end canal right here. We call it the Marshall Drake Canal. The reason why we call that because all the great stuff y'all see hanging from the trees, that is your Spanish moss. Now the trees overlap with the canal back here. There's your live oak trees, live oaks, and they are evergreen. Pretty, huh? So when you see Spanish moss growing up around in the area, you have good, clean, quality air. Now back in old days, they had different uses out of it. Henry Ford actually stuffed the seats in the first Model T cars with it. They used it for insulation in walls, stuffed mattresses, pillows, mixing mud and water for log cabins. Actually, to dry it out, make sewing and surgical thread with it also. Maybe about two years or 7 months old. Yeah, they actually will grow about an average of 1 foot a year until they hit the 6-foot mark. From that point on, go so much as a length or width, just like us. We start growing tall, get wide, the same thing. Yeah, so I would say he's about 2 years and 7 months old. And your little gators hatch out mid to late August. That's the hatching season for your gators. My playground every day, and they do got alligator hunts, duck hunts, and deer hunts back here. Now, north side's property has crawfish ponds. We harvest crawfish every year. Now, year after year, we're pulling over 100,000 pounds of crawfish out of his ponds. They get pretty penny over there just alone. Now, this is all strictly fresh water back here. That's contained by a sewer system we're sitting on top of right here that goes all the way around the 1,700 acres. It's like a 2 mile by 2 mile square. Now, we do have 47-acre site for swamp. Let's get back there and tell you a little bit about that. Now, gators. Well, I'm pretty sure we'll see a few of them, so I'll just give you a little heads up. If you want your hands, legs, and feet, do not hang them over the side of the boat because the gator can't jump. 2/3 to 3/4 body width out the water. Yeah, they always start you from the outside in. So hello, gator baits. And
Yeah.
that's your nutria. Now your nutria now originated from here. They actually brought in from South America, from Argentina. Yeah, they actually started with 13 to the States. They brought them in to try to start the fur trade. Well, supposedly 13 they had an offense, but they did escape. Now they do populate pretty quick. They have up to 3 litters a year, and went from 5 to 11 little ones to each litter.
Please don't eat me, sir. He looks fake. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Thing almost looks real.
I was like, he looks fake.
Yeah, they did a good job when they designed. Very much real. It's real. Yeah, what you're looking at right here is a 14-foot gator weighing about 1,000 pounds. Now, we call him Big Al. Yeah, Big Al is the alpha male of this area. This big guy right here covers approximately about 3/4 square mile. And your big males, yeah, they're very territorial. So if another male happens to move to this area, he definitely will try to run them out. If you can't run them out, they will fight to death. So guess who's lunch?
How old do they expect Big Al to be?
Well, we hoping he can reach a max age about 100 years. Wow. Yeah, because they will live up to 100 years. They said normal lifespan, 70 to 80 years, pretty much like a human.
Okay.
You know? So, but if he stays in good health, then he can reach up to 100 years.
Wow.
How old do you think he is?
Just a rough guesstimate, because it's really hard to age your gators. So I would say anywhere between 40 45 years old.
You can't age them like veterinarian does cows?
What?
What's up, Al?
High five, buddy.
Yep. Give a gator a 5. Yeah, so, but, yeah, he's pretty awesome. Yeah, put the leg back on.
That's pretty awesome. Al?
Want to touch him?
Really?
Come right here, touch him, yeah.
Heck yeah.
Oh.
Right now, because it's been kind of cold, and he try to use that energy to actually, you know, when he decides to grab a hold of something and eat it, that way he can digest it, you know. So you don't want to do too much right now, you know. Now they do have a gator season. They can actually hunt your gators. You have a 30-day season once a year.
What?
So it's the last Wednesday of August, run to the 3rd week of September. Now the way to go about regulating hunt gators is by a tagging system. So every 65 acres of wetlands you own, they will give you 1 tag.
Mm.
Now when they process the gator, process the feet, the meat, the teeth, the hide, the head. What they do not have use for is the very top of their back. Each little bump you see is all individual bone plates that go buttons and scoop. So when they process them, they will cut the whole top surface off, discard it. Use the size in the bottom for boots, purses, wallets, luggage, stuff like that. Now the best meat is the inner tail. It's like filet mignon on a cow, backstrap on deer. Second to best, inner jaw muscle meat is really good, especially bigger gators, you get a little more. Now with most of the meat, the rest of the meat, they're processing. Make gator burgers, gator sausage, gator jerky really good. You get the body gator for the Big Al. The Big Al likes it himself.
May I?
Watch, let me spin the boat. I'll get him on this side.
Really?
You can touch his tail.
Can I come right here?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Yeah. Because he cannot turn and get you in it this way. You can feel how hard it is. So that's all bones. And this is what they use for like boots, purses, wallets,
Snap the picture.
all that good stuff, you know. Yep.
He's a nice guy.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow.
So you said that they allow gator hunt
Touch him?
back in here.
really
We
cool.
do, so we actually stay clear of 700 or the
I touched
1,700
Big
acres.
Al.
So we actually will hunt the other fowl. Once he starts getting active, I mean, then I can't really get like this. Now see
Cool,
this
right?
tail right here, that's about 1,200 pounds of muscle per square inch in this tail.
Wow.
So one good whack with that tail, whatever hits with it, you know about it for sure.
Huh.
Yeah. So that's Big Al, my big buddy.
Bye, Big Al.
And Big Al is the ladies' man.
Thanks for not eating us.
He has 9 girlfriends that I know of.
We're not.
See one on this side, front right corner, both swimming
Yep.
out.
Mama,
I can
you
see
stay
another
there.
Little one. This is mom. You can see some little ones back here.
Is Mama young?
Yeah, see.
Yeah, that's some. She's probably about 7, maybe 8 years old. So, but she has a little more attitude than Al.
I see that. I saw her head
Piece of
move.
Fish.
Yeah.
She didn't eat it.
Oh shoot. Hi.
Yeah, what she's doing, that's pretty much a warning, you know, don't mess with my babies,
Okay.
you know.
I won't.
We're kind of invading her territory a little bit, so, yep. And if, you look,
The good thing of it is I'm bigger than her, so she can't eat me all in one set.
no, she could just drag you on the water, store you somewhere else.
Yeah.
Right.
That just deteriorate, twist off a piece here and there, you know. That's all she would do.
She could snap your hand, right?
Yeah, they have tremendous bite down pressure. Yeah, probably looking at about 1,200 pounds, where a big owl will have approximately about 3,000 pounds of bite
Really?
down pressure. So, but no opening power.
So I have another question. So Big Al, as dormant as he is, you know, he's just hanging out.
Mhm.
He really has no way to defend himself against like people and stuff, right? Or can he like muster up some energy if he needs to?
Oh yeah, that's
Okay.
what he's doing. They just conserve their energy.
But if he
But
needed
if
to,
he needs to go in action, oh yeah,
He can.
he's gonna
Okay.
put it in
Yeah,
high
keep
gear
poking,
real
right,
quick.
yeah.
Yeah.
okay.
Males tearing at the female fighting females. Yeah, it gets pretty intense back here.
And how long does mating season last?
Usually a few months.
Oh, geez.
Yeah.
She wants to eat the boat.
Come here, Bella. Come here, Bella. Come here, Bella. Yeah. Yeah.
Snacku. Look
Give me a
at
little
her.
peace offering.
So do they just eat meat, right? They're just carnivores.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Just eat meat. Eat like rabbits, raccoon, possum, armadillos, white-tailed deer. Yeah, the easy way to spot your little gators is you look for the little gold stripes. Now, once they start getting older, they're gonna start losing these gold stripes. Once they get about 4 years.
See him up there on the bank.
I don't.
Right
Yeah, they
I
kinda
don't know what I'm
blend
looking
straight
for.
in.
Right, they have one guy for sure. up
See
there.
it?
Oh,
I
I see him. Oh, he's cute.
Yeah, they have a few of
Oh,
them.
they
that
do
was
have
up there.
stripes on their tails.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Yep.
fun.
That's the easiest way, because besides that, they're pretty camouflaged in. So you pretty much, when you're looking, you look for the little gold stripes on your little young ones. That's the easiest way to spot them.
Oh, there's one in the water.
You saw another one?
There's a little baby moved around in the
Yeah,
water.
see that?
Yeah.
Right to the head?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
that's
he,
a
like
really
that little plant on the very edge.
There's a
And he's
couple
going
right
Oh,
there.
oh, I see him. Oh,
See, you
he's
come
cute.
at night with a spotlight, you shine that spotlight, their eyes go like orange red, look like a little reflector on the water.
Oh.
Now, they do have a bunch of gators. A couple summers ago, I came on the sunset tour, shining a light. I was actually shining light on about a 5-acre area, and I counted 210 gators.
The red tail hawk.
Oh, I see why he's sitting right there. See that rabbit in the water?
A
See the
rabbit
fur?
in the water?
Yeah, he probably had that rabbit. He probably dropped it.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, look, you can see the fur. See
Sticking
right
up there.
before the tree?
No.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, that hawk probably grabbed that rabbit. He probably dropped it. And he's probably waiting to see what,
Oh, I do see it. I see it. I see it.
where it was. Yeah, y'all can see that perfect row of trees straight in front of the boat between the two boats. Now look at the base of it, you can see how it's all connected. That's actually a tree that fell down, that's how it grew. Really? Look, about the 300 or so. Now they figure it fell between 85 and 100 years ago when it actually fell down and did this. Yep.
Huh.
Pretty cool, huh?
It's beautiful.
Yeah, Mother Nature has her amazing ways, you know. Because for her, we don't have all this beauty. Yeah, pretty. I look at it every day, and I still think it's pretty cool to look at. You know, I mean, you just don't see that. You know. Yeah. Now the biologist that told us a little bit about it, he named like 4 or 5 different trees known to do it. So, but he said that's the first bald cypress they witnessed. You know?
Wow.
So. Yeah, they have 2 of them hanging around here. They actually have a nest back there in the swamp.
think? That was exhilaratingly awesome. I have never done anything like that. Like a true swamp tour. Touched a gator. Wow. Yeah.
Well, you felt it.
I felt him. I touched him. I touched him. So guys, thank you so much for, tuning in. This was absolutely amazing. I had a wow. I have to collect my thoughts. I seriously do. So they base their the people that come to visit by word of mouth, we were just told. So please, if you are in this area, a swamp tour is a definite must. It was so much fun.
Maybe come when it's a little warmer because I was
Yeah, it was really cold. It's really windy, so I mean, I think even if it was warm, too, a jacket.
maybe like a light jacket.
Yeah.
It wasn't bad. It was fun.
All right, guys, that's it. We'll see you soon. Bye.